Ekta. I have to say three because you're Ekta. You're bringing the magic and popularity of the supernatural to cinemas and streaming with such deeply inspired cultural nuances. What can you tell us about the film and the world of this spectacular teaser that we just saw of One?
So, Indian folklore has been a part of all of us, and I think it's time that we bring out with state-of-art VFX and a large screen experience some of our most undiscovered Indian folklore. And we have a very, very interesting cast here. Siddharth, Tamanna, my old favorite Shweta, Manish. And it's also our first association with TVF on film and with Amazon. So it is, I think, one of our most exciting scripts. It was brought to us as a concept by TVF. So it is going to give a whole new, I think it's going to be a whole new genre breaker. So hoping for the audiences to like it the way we do.
You had to collaborate with TVF because TV is you. And if you weren't going to collaborate with TVF, then who was?
Wow.
With TV, we now have an F.
Well, we like the sound of that. Yes, we love the sound of that. Manish, over to you.
The next question is for Siddharth and Tamanna. For both of you, there's just an incredible amount of star power that both of you bring, to the big screen. What's the one thing that audiences can look forward to in this film?
Wow. Good afternoon, everyone. I think it's difficult to pinpoint one, but just picking up from where Ekta was talking, actually. Firstly, I have to say this is mine and Ekta's third collaboration, and I have noticed her in the first two projects, and I think by far she's the most passionate about One. I have never had a producer who could narrate me the film from start to finish. And the amount of hard work that she's put in onto this film, along with, of course, this prolific team. But because I know her the longest, no, of course, because I know her the longest, I have to say I'm most excited about my project with Balaji here. And then, as she said, the German seed comes from TVF. Who we all have seen their shows with Amazon. I think they're one of the first to actually have something of a fifth season in Amazon for the first time, which is Panchayat. Okay, we won't announce it as yet, but our director who's not here, who's directed Panchayat with Amazon. And then we have a wonderful team of our cast and team who've executed this germ into a larger, big cinema experience, which is Manu Anand, as you can see, who's gotten the visuals, Neeraj, who's produced it, and of course then the cast are prolific actors along with me, starting with Tamanna, Shweta, and I don't know why I've become the host, but I just want to say I'm really excited to be with this wonderful team, and it's going to give you a big screen experience, folk with thriller, a lot of fun and intrigue. So we're really excited about this project and bring it to the big cinemas near you.
We also hear Sid that, of course, your tremendous star presence, Tamanna and you make such a gorgeous couple and you all are both going to be incredible. The teaser looks fantastic, but we believe from inside sources that Manish Paul is the big highlight of this film. He just paid me a big amount to say this, sir.
बस ये host और host के बीच में
Yeah.
ghost हो रहे हैं.
In kind, he's saying, baby, darling, Kanish ki आरज़ू बढ़ती नहीं जा रही. All right. For that, Tamanna, we would love to hear from you.
It's my first collaboration with Ekta.
And how lucky am I?
I have to tell you, it's been...
मेरी दिल की तमन्ना.
लेकिन अब तो एकता मेरे दिल की तमन्ना की तमन्ना बन गई है.
वाह. इतनी सारी तमन्ना.
बहुत सारी तमन्नाएं पूरी हो गई हैं एक्चुअली इस फिल्म के द्वारा. Working with Sid was a long dream, and I'm very happy that I've had that chance to collaborate with him. I think he's a really fine actor, and I have to say Deepak sir is not here.
Yes.
Deepak sir hasn't come here today.
Our director.
But I feel like after very long, even I heard a script where a commercial film which I really grew up on, like I've grown up on commercial movies, to have a strong soul within a commercial film can be extremely powerful. And I've seen that happen to films of mine that have done well. And when I heard the story of this film, I felt like it had such a strong anchor with our Indian folklore being at the forefront. I truly believe that this would be that pakka masala film which actually leaves you very emotional at the end. And I feel like that I've been missing when I go to the theaters. And I'm very excited. I hope we bring that to the audiences. And I'm so happy that this film is with Prime Video. Prime Video is like second family for me. I've done so many shows with them, and I'm happy that we're going to be, one is going to be showing here. And we have the most amazing team, starting with Manu sir, Neeraj sir, Arnab sir, and just like how Sid was being host, I have also become host.
Yes,
But
I know, and
whole-
the Filmfare goes to.
And
As you can
but-
see,
but I
this
think
team is one.
Karan, it's because of you, you're rubbing onto us.
This is one team.
Rubbing.
This is one team, and this team is one, Karan.
That is wow.
देखा?
One.
आपके साथ हम भी थोड़ा सीख रहे थे.
wow. Mere pun
Very
master.
Pune, very Pune.
I tell you, wow. This is the first team I want to know that has really thanked each other. I want to tell you, other teams have not done it as beautifully and as sincerely, like I said, like you all.
Very
have.
thankless teams then, but you know.
Yes, I know.
This
But you are
is-
all about gratitude, and we know that about you. We know that about all of you. We can't wait to watch it. This teaser looked incredible. We need this in the cinema halls ASAP. And to capture this absolutely stunning moment, may I please invite on stage Akhil Jain, Principal Content Acquisition Prime Video India, to come on stage along with Shilangi Mukherjee. I'd request this gorgeous looking team to come closer to each other since you all love each other so much.